Struggling with your Samsung battery draining too fast? From 5 grams and settings to software glitches and extreme temperatures, we'll cover 12 top fixes and one ultimate solution for persistent issues. Let's get started. Part 1. Why is my Samsung battery draining so fast? Old battery or excess alerts or power saving or always on or location services or background apps. High refresh rate or screen time, a mold, non-original charger or outdated OS. Brightness or extreme temps, water or dust. Part 2. Fix Samsung battery draining fast in 11 quick ways. Fix 1. Enable power saving mode. Fix 2. Utilize original charging equipment. Fix 3. Keep Samsung from extreme temperatures. Fix 4. Limit the number of push notifications. Fix 5. Adjust location services settings. Fix 6. Modify background usage restrictions. Fix 7. Optimize specific apps. Fix 8. Organize connectivity options. Fix 9. Adjust screen brightness. Fix 10. Check for OS updates. Fix 11. Check battery health. Part 3. Ultimate way to fix Samsung battery fast drain. Yes, software issues can cause Samsung battery drain. If the Samsung Members app shows no hardware issues, you can use Expert Android Repair to fix software problems and resolve most battery drain issues. Step 1. Install. Begin by installing and launching Android Repair on your computer. Next, select the System Repair tab located at the top of the program window and connect your Samsung device to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Start from the left-hand menu. Select Android Repair. The product will display a list of Android issues it is capable of resolving. Review the options and click Start. Step 3. Verify in the subsequent window. Provide the necessary information about your Galaxy device and click Next to proceed. Step 4. Confirm. Enter 00000 in the designated field and click Confirm. Please be aware that utilizing the Android System Repair may result in the loss of data on your Samsung phone. Step 5a. For Samsung devices with the Home button, turn off the device. Press Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume down for 10 seconds. Release, then press Volume up to enter download mode. Step 5b. For Samsung lacking a Home button, power off the device. Then press the Power, Bixby, and Volume down buttons for around 10 seconds before releasing them. Afterward, press Volume up. Step 6. Repair. Once the phone is in the appropriate mode, click Next to download the necessary firmware. The program will then automatically initiate the repair for battery issues.